Welcome back, everybody, to a brand new video here. Joe with your host, like always. Today, everybody, I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys real quick. Just a little psychology video. Just it kind of crossed my mind, and I wanted to talk to you guys about it, especially for those that were just starting to day trade and are just starting to figure out that there's so much more psychology to this than just the charts, fundamentals, and all this other stuff, right? Patience, bro. This was honestly, I think, was a solid trade, a super flat trade. I mean, if you look at the charts, and if you look, I guess the entries were probably really bad. The fills were horrible. So that's one thing. Someone let me know in the comments down below, man. How could I check my exact fills? Like, do I have to check my broker, which is TD Ameritrade or Thinkorswim? That's one thing that I've never checked. I want to see the exact fills that I got. Because, again, look at this, man. We took a trade from 640 to 44 to 644, a 4-minute trade. It was a flat trade, only made about $3 after commissions. Should be almost nothing, right? So, check this out, man. Check this out. This is exactly where I got in. This little area, this green bar right here, right? We got in at this green bar, so I'm guessing that once you click a buy order, right, it's probably going to fill me somewhere down here. I didn't exit out the trade until after 4 minutes. So, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, which was right here. And I'm just like, bro, from this candle to this candle, bro, that's like at least $20 right there, you know, that I caught. At least, you know, not $20, my bad, I'm sorry. 20 cents, right? So let's say I just got filled at the top of this. So let's say I got my exit was at 393.33, and then my entry should have been 393.47. So that could have been like the worst case scenario, but I'm just like, bruh, for me to only make $3, I'm just like, nah, man. I definitely got filled somewhere right here, and then I probably got filled somewhere up here. So I probably didn't catch really nothing. So that's slippage, man. Contracts were just a little bit pricey this morning, so I'm guessing with a little bit of everything, you know, it just sucked up all the premium and just took all my money. So it's all good though. But hey, a flat trade, a flat day, I'll take that as a green day because we didn't lose money. If anything, we gained like $1.88, $1.80, something like that. I can tell you guys right now, man, it is like 90% psychology and like 5% technicals, 5% fundamentals. While a lot of people don't really like to pay attention to the fundamentals, patience is a virtue. Like, if you go into this game, I want to meet somebody that day trades or trades and was just a patient person before them being successful, right? Because again, it's like psychology plays such a big part in trading. Like, you guys have no idea, man. Like, how many times for myself I've took an entry way too early, or I literally cut a winner way too early. Like, I feel like I always do this, and I feel like a lot of people also watching this video out there as well. Like, you guys will bag hold, bro. You guys, including me, will hold a loser, but you guys will cut the winners right away. And that's one thing that I always try to tell myself, like, bro, like, I have to have some type of practice, some type of, I feel like you just have to watch the charts every single day and just watch them. You know, take a couple trades. If there's no good setups, there's no good trades. Look, you see that there's no good days. If you see like it's a choppy day and you just absolutely cannot figure the day out, the charts out that day, I would just say, you know, stay away, bro. Keep your money. Because I'm telling you guys right now, man, I don't know how many times I've had such a fat loss that it just took a chunk of my account. And I'm just like, dude, I literally seen the charts. I didn't see no setup. I don't know why I was trading. Or sometimes, you know, I'll wake up in the morning. I'm not a morning person, everybody. I'm pretty sure everyone loves to sleep. I've never met a person like, yeah, I love to wake up at 6. I mean, I guess there's been a handful of people, but these people are like, you know, straight up what I'm trying to become, like a really successful entrepreneur with multiple sources of income, you know. So of course these guys are going to wake up, you know, 6, 7 in the morning to work on their stuff and be happy. But I'm not going to lie, there is a good amount of days. Majority of my days I do wake up in a good mood because I'm just like, all right, first thing of my day, man, I got to trade. On Twitter, I'm always seeing a bunch of like traders just bag hold too, man, on some really crappy setups. I mean, personally, me, I guess when I'm in a trade too and I get out of it, I've always, like, I try to review my trades, and I do sometimes see like, damn, why the hell did I get in that? Like, honestly, one of my bad habits is I be entering trades like within the first or second minute of market open. Like, for some reason I see a green candle, I'm like, oh dude, it's gonna go up. Red candle, oh, it's gonna go down. But I've learned my lesson day in, day out, to the point where I'm just like, all right, man, I gotta give it at least like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I could could probably figure out a nice little scalp. But just looking at the charts, man, looking every single day, looking at the 15-minute chart, the 5-minute chart, it just shows me that honestly, man, just wait a little bit. And some days, bro, you just have some nice, beautiful trend days. And that's the days that I'm trying to catch. And I know for a fact, man, there's people out there, bro, cashing out. So you guys let me know in the comments down below, man. What are some good what are some good mental exercises that you guys have learned to work on your patience or overall psychology wise, man? If you guys got some tips, advice, let me know in the comments down below. Because again, I'm barely going into 2 years. I think 2 years marks in about like two to 3 weeks. I'll be officially 2 years into day trading, and I'll be working on year 3. So I see the potential. I definitely see that I could be consistent. It's just little mistakes here and there. And then again, it's like days like these, man, you just really can't do nothing about it. You had slippage, you had all these things, just affecting the premium, so the cost of the options. So it's just nothing really I could do. I mean, to me, it's successful trade, flat day. But it's just, and it's funny, what's one thing that's funny about the market is that if this went in the opposite direction, bro, I can tell you right now that win would not be $3. That'd be like a $12 to like $15 loss. No, hands down, bro, because I hate that, man. I hate that. Like, the market's cool. You can make some good money off the market, but it's like when you lose quick. And when you win, you can win quick too, but it's like you got commission, you got bad fills. So it's like, man, sometimes it gets me thinking, like, this market is designed for you to lose more than to win, obviously. But, if you're smart enough and if you, just last long enough, if you survive long enough, then I feel like you could pick up on all the tricks. Because 2 years ago, man, I had no idea what the hell stocks were, no idea what options were. I would open this up, and to me it's like, bro, what the hell is this, bro? We're about to fly a freaking spacecraft or something. But within a few months, I was able to really get down, candlesticks, the chart, stocks, options, pretty much everything just to start, right? So by year 2, which was 2021, that's when I really started to, halfway through, I would say, 2021, I probably started taking a lot more trades. But I'm excited because I feel like I'm really at that borderline, like, I'm profitable. I mean, not every month, the past like two months I've been profitable. I have not made that much money, but for the amount of money that I started off with to the amount it's at now, I'm like, damn, that's kind of cool. Like, if I'm able to train my psychology to throw in 10 times, like, I'll throw in a good amount. And if I'm able to, because so far I could tell you guys right now, the account that I had, this is let's see, I probably already tripled it. But again, everybody, it's like, bro, I've learned to finally cut my losses quick, and then I'm slowly learning how to let my winners ride, right? But I can tell you guys right now, man, I've blown like at least like 4 or 5 accounts before this. Like, I've lost like good amount of money, but it all comes down to my patience. I'm a really impatient person, bro. I don't know, man. For some reason, I could just not sit on my hands, but the days that I just sit on my hands and I'm patient, waiting for the right opportunity, bro, I get some good, like, I think like the most I've ever had, the best trade was like $400 in profit. Don't get me wrong, I lost it all the next day, but it was good while it lasted. Oh, and then during the GME days, where like GameStop, you got AMC, bro, I bought a crap ton of calls. I made like $2K in a day. I was like, bruh, this is the best job in the world. Swear to God, like, I already made what I made at my last job in like 3 weeks. I made in one day. Like, I'm like, bro, let's go, right? And then, like always, I blew it the next couple of days, lost 300, 400 the next day. Like, bro, I was negative, bro. I was negative for a long time, bro. I was negative for such a long time, and I can tell you guys right now, man, it's blood, sweat, and tears, bro. So frustrated sometimes, bro. It made me want to just get teary-eyed. I mean, I did get teary-eyed, bro. And make sure you guys drop a like, a comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think about psychology. Again, I just think it's just so important, man. If you are such a patient person, man, then you already have like that little edge in the market. What they say, the little edge, the little corner, the little corner. But anyways, everybody, I'll catch you guys in another day trade recap tomorrow. And yeah, man, let me know in the comments down below too if you guys had a green day, red day. Let me know.